Here is Ava's kindergarten science project.
Okay, today is Tuesday. Okay, I had a volcano. I already put vinegar in it, so I'll put. I will put
baking soda. My experiment is.
My experiment is a volcano, and I already put vinegar in it.
When you add
baking soda in the vinegar. Whoa. Okay, great.
I'm going to show you my experiment.
I'm going to show you my experiment.
In this volcano. Which I made out of.
I'll put what's made out of. This is all paper mache. This is a cooking pot. And this inside is a bottle. I will just pour this vinegar.
Oh, wait. The first step.
The first step is pour baking soda in. Pour vinegar in.
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
Food coloring where?
In the vinegar.
Don't do that. I will open it. Wait.
And put the baking soda in our cookie. And put the vinegar in. It's so fun because I'm about to put the vinegar in. So, now watch my volcano explode. It won't do a big one. Here it comes. She's gonna blow. Then it's rolling on the side.
You can pour it all in it.
Okay, hurry up, blow. She's gonna blow. Look at her blow. Look at her go. Go, Bitsy. Go, Bitsy. Go, Bitsy. Go, Bitsy. Go, Bitsy. Go, Bitsy.
And that was my
experiment.